Hello class, Mr. Geisler here today. And we're going to measure and classify angles. So we're going to talk about classifying them today. And we're going to talk about how we measure them in the next lesson. But first of all, let's get through the vocabulary. Let's understand. So first of all, we have the vocabulary words: acute, obtuse, right, and straight. So acute angles are angles that are less than 90 degrees, okay, or less than a right angle. So an acute angle would look like this. It'd be be smaller angle, okay, and that's going to be less than 90, okay. We'll talk about what 90 degrees looks like, okay. An obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. So in other words, you have an angle that looks like this, okay? And it's going to be greater than 90 degrees. Let me fix that a little bit, okay? So it's greater than 90, right? A right angle is exactly 90 degrees, exactly. It looks like this. It looks like, it's almost like the corner of a house. If I draw myself just a little bitty house here, it looks like the corner of a house, okay? All right? And we put a little symbol here, it's like almost a square, okay? That's a 90-degree angle, exactly 90. Finally, a straight angle is a straight line. And the measure of this is 180 degrees, okay? So it's just basically straight across, okay? And the measure of this from here to here is 180 degrees. Now, I'm going to classify each angle below, okay? All right, so let's look at number one. Is number one, okay, let's start here. Is it acute, less than 90, obtuse, greater than 90, right, exactly 90, or straight? Well, when I look at number one here, this looks like it's smaller than 90 degrees, right? It goes from here to here. So I would say that's less than 90. That would make it an acute, right? An acute angle. What about angle 2? Angle 2 is right here, okay? So I'm going to change that color up a little bit. Angle 2 goes from here to here, okay? This is angle 2, goes from here to here. So it looks like it's a little bit bigger than a right angle, and it goes out to here, so that makes it an obtuse angle, which means that's bigger than 90 degrees. Obtuse, okay? Obtuse, greater than 90, so it kind of looks like this. This angle's bigger than 90. Angle 3 looks like this. Oh, it looks like almost like it's the corner of the house, right? Which means it's exactly 90 degrees, which would make it an right angle. And finally, what about angle 4? Angle 4 goes all the way from here to here. So it's this line going straight across, which would make it a straight line, right? 180 degrees, which would make it a straight angle. Okay? So that one's straight. So today, we learned how to classify and looking at the measurements of acute, obtuse, right, and straight angles.